So Workflows is a node-based canvas. You've got different types of blocks or nodes, text, image, video, and you connect them together. Information flows from one block to the next, and it's like building a little creative pipeline. Your idea starts as text, flows into an image block, and comes out visual. So to get started, you can right-click or double-click or click the plus button over here and choose a prompt. I'm going to type in a prompt: cozy coffee shop interior, warm morning light, plants by the window, aesthetic photography style. Now I need to add another node for my image. So I'm going to choose Nano Banana Pro, Google's new image model, which has been fantastic. Really like it. Choose a landscape orientation here. And you can choose a resolution. I'm going to leave it at 1K. Now, the important thing here is we have to connect the text prompt to the image prompt. On each side of the node, you'll see these little connection points. On the left side of a node is the inputs, and on the right side of the node is the outputs. It allows you to chain nodes together so you can have your text prompt go to an image prompt. In the next tutorial, we'll even show you how you can animate your image. But for now, let's just click run and see what we get. And there we have it, a beautiful, cozy coffee shop interior. So I'm David from the ImagineArt team. I'll see you in the next one where we'll learn how to animate this image. Have a great day.